Hi, I'm Banusri and welcome to my second Skillshare class, 3 ways to add glow effect to your artworks digitally. My first class was about getting started with Procreate for beginners. So if you are a beginner, feel free to go check out. In this class, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to add glow effect to your art or to a photograph. So anyone who wants to create artworks with beautiful glowing things but don't know how, or maybe don't know which blend modes to use, then this class is just for you. I'm using Procreate on iPad Pro for this class and tried them on Photoshop as well. But you can apply this to any digital art program that has similar blend modes to Procreate or Photoshop. Except knowing how to draw and add colors digitally. To take this class, you need to know few things like how to change blend modes, how to adjust hue, saturation, brightness, and how to apply Gaussian blur. By the end of this class, you will be able to add glow effects to your drawings or photos in 3 different ways. There are many more ways to make things glow, but for now, I'm sharing the 3 I use the most. First, I will show you how to add glow to a solid shape, then how to add glowing stars and fireflies to your artworks, and finally how to make hair glow. For your class projects, you will be adding glow to your artworks or photographs using any of the 3 ways you will learn. I'm already excited to see your projects, so now let's dive in.